We don't want it to get to the end. We're like, hey, surprise team, I built this thing. No one knows about it. It's completely new. Why? Like, we don't want that. No one wants that. We've all been burned by that. Why would we wait? Hey team, I'm starting on this ticket, and like I'm exploring this part of the UI. It doesn't really seem like it's going to be able to fit into here, so I'm thinking about adopting this other pattern. One really cool example of this is that we were building a desktop application, and we had this toolbar, but a lot of the things that had to go into the toolbar, they were like, we'd be building a feature and it also needed a toolbar component to go with it. So we said all these features we are building are kind of like, they're pluggable, like almost like plugins. So we said our toolbar isn't. It's like very hard coded. It's crappy to use. So they took it upon themselves to say, hey, look, I want to make this pluggable. I want to make sure that all of these pieces, they don't need to know about each other, but we need to maintain state. So they're like, I'm going to try building this thing. And they built a little prototype in isolation. They walked us through it on the team to say, hey, here's what I'm thinking of building. We're like, cool, like checks out. We had conversations about it, and then they started integrating it. So by the time the review came around, we weren't like, what the hell is this this menu system with this toolbar? Like, this is crazy. Like, where did this even come from? We had already like seen code for it. We had already seen it working. And by the time the review came around, we were like, yep, that's the thing we talked about. So that's just some thoughts on this.